Hi friends, so we're going to look at some word problems related to time. So number 1 says Rody plans to ride his bike for 55 minutes. So far he has ridden for 29 minutes. How many more minutes does he have to ride? So you know if he rode for a total, if he wants to ride for a total of 55 minutes, and he already rode for 29, how many more minutes does he need to ride? That is a subtraction problem, and you know how to do the subtraction problem, so we're just going to take 55 minus 29. And I know that you all have your different strategies for subtracting. I'm just going to use regrouping, so you cannot subtract 9 from 5. So I'm going to take one of these 10, since this is in the tens place, then instead of 5 tens, I have 4 tens. So then I can give this 10 to the 5 ones, and I have 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So he has 26 more minutes to ride. Number 2, Miss Darren spends the reading period working with 2 different reading groups. She meets with the first group for 23 minutes, with the second group for 17 minutes. How long is the reading period? So if you want to know the total amount of time for the reading period, then you need to take 23 plus 17. 7 plus 3 is 10. I'm going to bring the 1 up here, and I have 2 plus 1 is 4. So the whole reading period is 40 minutes long. So I feel like these questions are easy for you. Just remember how many at all you're adding, and when you're talking about how many more, then you're subtracting. So have fun with your word problems.